Have you ever wondered who is responsible for goods during transit? Who bears the risk if an item gets damaged or lost while on its way to its final destination? The answer lies in a term you may have come across if you've ever dabbled in the realm of shipping and logistics: free on board, or FOB for short. Free on board is a shipment term that pinpoints when the obligation shifts from the seller to the buyer in the supply chain. It's a crucial clause in purchase orders, determining who owns the goods, who bears the risk, and who shoulders the transportation costs during transit. Consider the term FOB origin or FOB shipping point. This implies that the buyer takes on the title of the goods as soon as the seller hands them over for shipping. From that point forward, the buyer assumes all risk. If the goods are damaged or lost during transit, the buyer bears the responsibility. On the other hand, FOB destination paints a different picture. Here, the seller holds onto the title of the goods and takes all responsibility during transit, right until the items reach the buyer's doorstep. If anything happens to the goods en route, it's the seller who needs to take action, regardless of whether you're shipping domestically or internationally. The term FOB is common parlance. It's used to describe when and where the delivery will occur, who will pay for the freight and insurance, and when the risk of loss shifts from seller to buyer. However, it's essential to understand that FOB terms, whether origin or destination, don't determine ownership. That's defined by the bill of sale or agreement between the buyer and seller. What FOB does define, though, is who takes responsibility for the shipment, be it at the origin, where the journey begins, or the destination, where it ends. Having a clear understanding of FOB is crucial for both parties involved. It can significantly impact inventory, shipping, and insurance costs. FOB origin means the buyer must ensure their goods reach their destination safely and timely, while a FOB destination places that responsibility squarely on the seller's shoulders until the goods are safely delivered. In conclusion, whether you're a buyer or a seller, understanding the concept of free on board and the differences between FOB origin and FOB destination can help you navigate the complex waters of logistics and transportation with greater confidence and efficiency.